Hi all, welcome back. So today we are again solving one more question asked in the ECE GATE exam 2026. So this question to be asked, being asked in the GATE exam. Yeah, so let us solve this question. I think this series definitely going to helpful for to understand the concept through the questions. So this question is state an output equation for the control system for the given x dot is equal to this a and b u and y is equal to this one, which of the following expression correctly represent the transfer function, and provided that zero initial condition. So here in this expression they given, basically we need to find out the transfer function through the state space. So how we can find out? So this x dot is equal to Ax plus Bu, y is equal to Cx plus Du. So here we need to find out the transfer function. Our output by is y, input is us. This we need to find out. So how we can find out? So let us, actually we know that this formula, I think we know transfer function is equal to C Si minus A inverse B and plus D. So D matrix here not there, so D is 0. C matrix there, this is a C matrix, and this is A matrix, and this is B matrix. So we can solve this actually. So how this formula we can derive it is very simple. If you don't know, easily we can derive this formula. So like this fundamental equation we know, Ax dot equal to Ax plus Bu, y is equal to Cx. Du is not there, so I am putting 0. So let us do the Laplace domain. So do the Laplace transform. So here we will get the Ax capital Xx minus x0. So initial condition not there. A capital Xx and y is equal to C xs. So this is going to 0. So this is a matrix, right? So here yes, we need to also put the because this is a matrix, this is a scalar quantity, so we put the I here is identity matrix Si minus A, right? So this is a, so this is a, so this is also matrix, this is also matrix, right? So we'll get inverse Bs, right? So x you put here, this equation will get y is equal to C Si minus A inverse Bu, right? So here bias by is equal to will get C Si minus A inverse B. So let us solve this actually. Apply this this question very simple. What is A is minus 4 minus 1.540. So this is A and 0, right? What is a B? 2 0 and what is a C? And 1.5, right? 1.5. Let's recheck again. This is minus 4 minus 1.5, right? This is a minus here. So this is 0. This is 1.5. Let us check again. Yeah. So minus 4 minus 1.5, 4, 0, 2, 0, 1.5, 0.625. So what is our SI minus A inverse B1? Let us first SI minus A. So what is AS? 0, 0 AS. This is minus 4. So it will be AS plus 4 minus 1.5 minus 4 and 0. And what is the SI minus A inverse actually? So we know, I think, so this is AD, and you just put DA and minus B minus C. Here put AD minus BC. So this is, I think we should know. So just cross change actually this one, interchange this, so 0, S plus 4, this is minus 1.5, this is 4, and here is, this is a multiply 0, and this will be minus minus plus, so 4, this will be 6, right? 1 by 6. Okay, so what is a C, SI minus A inverse and B. So this already we calculated. What is a B actually here? B is 2 and 0, right? This is a 2 and 0. So this is a SI minus inverse. Let us say first solve this one. So this is a 1 by 6, and this will be 0 S plus 4 minus 4 and 4, right? Let us check again. Yeah. So this will multiply here, this is going 0, this is going 0, okay, and this is a 8, I think we are counting some mistake, right? Yeah, I counting mistake. Yes, should be yes actually here, right? This is yes. We counting mistake here. So this is yes. So this will be yes. So it will be not be 1 by 6. It will be this is a square plus s4 and plus the 6. Okay. So let us, no problem, no worries. Let us reach. This will be yes here, and this will be 1 by s square plus 4s plus 6, right? Yeah. So this will be no problem. This is a s square plus, and this will be yes. Let us do again. So this will be yes, 2s, and this will be 0, and this will be 4, 8, right? So now we know. So now this is a little collaborative problem. So we have to take care. What is a C here? C is 1.5. So this will be 1.5, 0.625, right? So what will be there? This is 3s plus 0.625 into 8. So 8 5 ja 4, 8 2 ja 16, 4 20, 8 6 5, right? 50. So it will be 3s plus 5 by 3 square plus 4s plus 6. So let us go back and see the option. So this is option third. Option C is correct. So like that we can solve it. So this is 1 zeros there and 2 pole there, right? So so I think so that's all from this video. Hope you understood. So sometimes they can ask the question related to studio space also, right? So now like reversely they can also ask, like let us say they given the this transfer function, find out the state space. So this also is possible. Yeah, so this way we can solve this question. Hope you understood. So that's all from this video. Thank you.